Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Nodejs. Today we are going to learn Puppeteer measuring performance for the page Nodejs. So basically, whenever do the page test, right? So we need to require some of the parameters like what the page load time, what is the page load issues, whatever wherever we have. So we are going to check the performance of the page load with the help of the Puppeteer in the Node.js. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Last above videos, these four videos already uploaded. This is the next one. After this is the last one, performance timeline using the Node.js using Puppeteer. Okay, so let's check the marine the performance for the Node.js. So here we go with this website. Okay, so I'm going to do the performance with google.com. So let's go to the F12. Here we have a lighthouse, so desktop. Okay, analyze the page load. So here we go, get with the results. Okay, so here we go with the 0.5 painful content, large painful content, total blocking time, everything. Let's I have some of the parameters to use. Okay, so let's dive into the code level. So here we have the performance. Okay, so we require the Puppeteer measurement performance. We require the URL, that is google.com. I required Puppeteer to launch. So we have first launch that one, then browser new page. We have to open the browser, then evaluate, enable the performance API. The page dot evaluate on new document. Okay, so this is the enable the performance API. Polyfill for the performance now in the headless mode. Okay, so here we are doing the performance check. Okay, window dot performance now. So return the date now. So currently we are performing, start measuring the performance. Okay, go to the URL. So we need to require passing the URL, whatever, whether it's to be google.com and any browser URL you need to pass over here. Then calculate the various performance matrices. Like suppose here you need the, like suppose DOM content load timing. Okay, first painful content. Okay, and then start the first paint time, add more matrices as you required. Okay, so we are using the load time. Okay, so let's check the first the Puppeteer over here, what the documentation says. Puppeteer. Okay, so here you can see that the Puppeteer, that is much more highlighted package. You can see that once 10 100,000 lakh 10 lakh you have the downloads. Okay, so it is headless mode by default, right? So here we have some of the, I think we get the documentation. This is the developer Chrome. This is different one that we are not using currently. You can runtime is not. So here we have the guides. So I think here we will get something of that one. Performance request interception. Let's see first our code, then we will evaluate this one. Okay, so this is the documentation that you can also go through with this one. Okay, so let's go and check this one. So here we have done the matrices analysis. Let's Here we have mentioned log the matrices, that is page load time dot load time dot document document content load time, then first painful time. So we are logging all this, so you can load the matrices that they are that giving us, so you can measure accordingly. So what URL I'm sending over here, that is google.com. So performance matrix measured successfully, and let's have a look of that one. So that is performance node performance.js, and here we have the performance page load, that is 804 milliseconds. Okay, so let's have a look on that one and matching the load. So here we go page load time. So here we go with this one. So the page load time is how much? The page load time, it is showing over here. I think this is the first painful content is 0.5 seconds, and what we are getting first painful content page load time, I think 0.5 seconds. Let's copy measure set seconds into ms into seconds. Okay, so let's calculate this one. So we have how much we have, that is 804. Let's calculate 804. Okay, seconds, that is 0 0.8. So near about, because we are opening the page and then calculating the part, right? So here you can see that we have all the, you can just check with, if you like page load everything, you can just cross verify with this one. Okay, so I think it is large faithful content is 1.1 seconds content paint. So currently you can see that here we large painful content, that is 4.83. If I put over here, that is in milliseconds and that is seconds over here. Let's add this milliseconds, and here you can see that 0 0.4. And here we go with the browser, and here we go with this one, that is first painful content, that is 0 0.5, and I get the 0 0.4. Okay, speed index test, not getting where the data is showing. Okay, so no, I think they are not showing the page proper one. So but we have like get the performance whatever we have. Okay, so this is how you can do the that part. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.